Yes. Here we have 49 terms in arithmetic progression. A1, A2, A3, likewise up to 49. They are in arithmetic progression. Such that sigma k equal to 0 to 12, A 4k plus 1. What does that mean? When k is 0, it is A1. K is 1, it is A5. K is 2, it is A9. Basically, A1, A5, A9, likewise up to A49. Right? Likewise, 4 into 12 plus 1, which is 49. Basically, the last term A1, A5, A9, likewise up to last term, which is 49, is equal to 416. At the same time, A9 plus A43 is 66. If this is the case, what is A1 square plus A2 square up to A17 square is 140m. Then what is this m? Right. So basically, we have to find out what are these A's? What is this series basically? Right. Let us do one thing. Let us use whatever that is given. Right. And try to find what exactly is this series about. Now we are given A1 plus A5 plus A9 up to A49 is 416. Basically, how many terms are there? There are 13 terms, 0 to 12. 1 to 12 would have been 1 terms. Here there are 0 to 12, so there are 13 terms. Right, what are these terms? A1, A5 is A1 plus 4D because this is an arithmetic progression, right? Then A9 is A1 plus 8D. Likewise, A49 is A1 plus 48D. This is equal to 416. Right. So the common difference between these terms is 4D, right? 4D, 8D, 12D, 16D, likewise. So basically, these terms are also in arithmetic progression. We have 13 terms which are in arithmetic progression with common difference of 4. 4D and first term is A1. Right, and last term is A1 plus 48D. Right. What is the sum of this series? N by 2 into first term plus last term. Right. That is the sum of arithmetic series. Right. N by 2 here, N is 13. So 13 by 2 into first term, which is A1, plus last term, which is A1 plus 48D is equal to 416. That means 13 by 2 into 2A plus 48D. 2A plus 48D by 2 equals A1 plus 24D. Right. We'll taking 2 common. So 13 times A1 plus 24 d equals 416. 13 will go 32 times in 416. So we have A1 plus 24 d is equal to 32. Okay, let's give this. Now we are given one more condition, that is A9 plus A43 is 66. What is A9? A1 plus 8d. Right. A1 plus 8d plus A43. A43 is A1 plus 42d equals 66. That means 2A1 plus 8 plus 42. So 8 plus 42d, which is 50, 50d. So 2A1 plus 50d equals 66. That means A1 plus 25d equals 33. We have A1 plus 25d is 33. A1 plus 24d is 32. What does that mean? So if you subtract this one from this one, we have d equals 1. If d equals 1, what is A? A plus 24. A1 plus 24 is 32. That means A1 is 80. So now we know the series. What is the series? The series is basically a 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, likewise. Right? The series is simply successive natural numbers starting from 8. Right? 8, 9, 10, 11. Because A1 is 8 and D is 1. Now, what is given? A1 square plus A2 square up to A17 square is 140. A1 is 8, A2 is 9, likewise. So what is A17? We have starting from 8. So 17 times, we have 17 times. That means 8 square, 9 square up to 24 square is equal to 140. Right. So we don't know the direct formula of 8 square, 9 square up to 24 square. But we know the formula of 1 square to 24 square. And we know the formula of 1 square to 7 square. Right. We know the formula for squares of first 10 natural numbers. So what we do? We do sum of 1 square to 24 square and subtract 1 square to 7 square. Right. So 8 square to 24 square, we will write it as 1 square to 24 square minus 1 square to 7 square, which is equal to 240, sorry, 140 m. Sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. We know this. So what will this become? This becomes 24 into 25 into 24 n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, which is 49 by 6. This becomes 7 into 8 into 7 to 14 plus 1, 15 by 6. This should be equal to 140 m. Let us just simplify this. 24 we can write it as 8 into 3. This is 25 is 5 square, then 7 square minus 7 into 8 into 15 is 3 into 5 by 6 equals 140 m. So 8357. It's there in both places and we have 5 7 extra here. Let's take 8357 common. Then 5 into 7 35 minus 1 which is 30 by 6. Right. Now the 6 is 2 into 3. This 3 and that 3 we can cancel. And this 2 will go 4 times here. So basically we have 7 times 4, 7, 4, 5 into 34. But 7, 4, 5, that is 4, 5 is 20 into 7 is 140 again into 34. So basically this 145 and 745 will cancel. Right. 4, 5 is 20 into 7 is 140. We'll be left with m is equal to 34. Right, 140 and this one will cancel, m equal to 34. That is the answer. M is actually equal to 34. So basically the sum of this series and is equal to 140 m. That means m is equal to 34. Right, guys? Thank you.